It also generates skill development by integrating to enhance students driven by technology. Overall, the introduction of AI in higher education holds immense potential to revolutionize the educational landscape, empower students and educators, and pave the way for a more innovative and inclusive learning. Let us have
Right? The things that you, and I want all of you to have the hands-on demo so that we will be confident of making use of the same tools for the real-time teaching, learning, evaluation practices. Dear professors, all of us enjoy the benefits of this digital world. We are all connected, well connected with all, human beings, automation, all the fields. It could be software, it could be an expert system. And we also have blockchain technology where we are able to have digital currency, which could envisage. And we also have cloud computing technology, which provides us the storage with neural network, which means recognizing or understanding what humans exactly think. Sooner the research is going on. And why are we very particular about these using this artificial intelligence in all the fields? It is completely automated. It does things. So all these would certainly reduce our work. Now, why are we going for AI tools? Now, we have got PowerPoints, we have got the other time to explore these tools. Look at there, we are going to time to explore these tools. Look at there, we are going to spend some of the tools are mobile based. And so, dear professors, I want all of you to have hands-on experience. Please do it along with me. If you're finding it difficult to do it along with me, please note down and you can explore it later. If you don't explore, then it doesn't stay with us. So it's my humble appeal to all of you to please explore when you have time. Those of you could make it, please do it along with me. I go a bit slower. Look at your professors. This is called Photoman. Gives mathematical solution within few seconds. And there's a tool called Gamma, which produces the PowerPoint in few seconds. And this is the tool called Alena, which produces academic resources. And we've got the Lens, Google Lens, which gives us artificial intelligence-based search, image search. And we've got portal called Black Box AI, which would help us to go for programming and research solution. Also to have customized chatbots. For example, we are all nearing admissions. If you want to generate a chat bot for answering the students, aspirants to get into our institutions, we can create a chat bot and load it in our website. For that, we use Black Box AI. And we have got a tool called Ideogram to generate images. For example, when we prepare PowerPoints, when we prepare backdrops, we should not make use of the tools which are available in Google, which is copyrighted. But here we can create images on our own, either for convocation or for our own presentation, academic presentations, and so on. We can also generate short videos using Flickr. So this is what the plan for the sessions. These are all some of the AI-based chatbots, out of which I'll just cover about 2-3 AI tools. I mean chatbots. So I'll share the PPTs later with Dr. Alagaraja sir, and the team will in turn share it with you all. These are all some of the add-ons. If time permits, I will just go with the add-ons. So, for example, you have chatbots. You can talk to chatbot and it gives you answers in turn in voice, text to voice, voice to text. And GPT-0 that reduces the AI content. That identifies AI content, and GPT minus that reduces AI content. For example, you have a submission of assignments by students. If you'd like to check the AI content, AI generated content, you can very well check with the help of GPT-0. And the other add-on is GPT minus, which could reduce the AI content and which would paraphrase the sentences, which could enhance the professional wordings and so on. And we have got YouTube summary. These days massive learning takes place with the help of 2-3 means. One is, MOOCs. The other one is much prevalent among the learners, among the youngsters, is YouTube. So if we want to go through a video which gives us learning experience, we need to go through the entire video. Instead, we can just use this YouTube summary with GPT. We'll be able to get the summary of gist of what is described or what is taught or what is explained in the video. And we can also make use of GPT for Google. I'll just give you a demonstration. And we can also enable GPT email writers. See, for example, if I get an email from Reverend Father Dr. Maridas J, an invitation. So automatically I can generate reply without spending much time in creating letters or generating replies and so on. This is GPT email writers. Now this is the tool called Remove PG to remove the background. I'll talk about it later. And I've told you about Gamma PPT generator. And now, dear professors, I just wanted to have you a clarification before we move on. What is the difference between, can someone tell me, what is the difference between Google and ChatGPT or any chat bot? Many of us are familiar. What is the difference? What is the difference? Can I have your answers in the chat quickly, or one of you can enable your mic and answer? You can just raise your hands. People will unmute you. You can raise your hands. People will unmute you. If you like, just tell me what is the difference between Google and ChatGPT. All of us are familiar with Google. Google gives us the answers based on the search. Then what is this, chatbots and ChatGPT and other similar tools give us? How do these tools distinguish? Can I have your response? Can I have your answers in the chat? Dear professors, can I have your answers in the chat? Dear participants, can I have your answers in the chat? Yeah, somebody, yeah, Dr. Yeah, Google is a search engine. Thank you, Dr. Reggie. Dr. Reggie, if I just click Save Your Board, I'll be able to get the link. I will have to choose the appropriate. I just feed my query as a prompt. Whatever questions that I ask, it is called as prompt. It has got its own limitation. Though I have just talked to you about the glory. See, Save Your. Can I get the text? Yes, of course. Look at there. I just click and see, I have written it. One minute. The pen is not able to be. 1 minute. Let me just write it a little deeper. Look at here. Look at here, dear participants. I'm just writing. Say again. Save your board. So I have just copied. Look at there. See, this is not that clear, but it is able to just click. I'm able to take it, copy, and it is copied, and you will be able to make it. Yes. Right. Fine. So, dear participants. Yes, thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience. I hope you would have got this tool. This is Google Lens. The next interesting tool that you're going with is, look at their education. Just click over the educational content. Click over the educational content, right? Now, click the education and you got all that you wanted to do. Look at here, you also have biology, you have microscopic collection, you have anatomy, you have astronomy, you have chemistry, you have physics, and whatnot. You got something. Now when you load, you'll be able to get the details of each item that you want to just show. There is also option for getting explanation. Just click over there. You'll be able to get the explanation for each item. Okay. Look at here. I've got. See, it is in front of my room. You want just check. Look at here. I'm able to have the globe, entire globe, just kept in front of my room. It explains. Okay. Am I clear to explore the scientific content? Any of these? As I've shown, I want all of you to please explore. I'm just connecting. Kindly hold on for a while. Next tool is Photoman. Dear participants, the next tool. Please explore. Please explore. 1 minute. Let me just come back to you in the chat.
Recording.
If anyone who has explored, press 5 in the chat. I could see many of us. I just would like to know about the simple formula. Look at there, a plus b the whole square. It is a handwritten one, a plus b the whole square, the formula. See here, it gives me the solution immediately. This Gauss-Jacobi, okay. So that is not possible right now. For paid tool, you can make it, you can just subscribe and you can do that, sir. Right now with this, you cannot. Okay. Yeah. So have anyone attempted? If you have attempted, press 6 in the chat. Any app like this for identification plans? Yeah, I'm giving you. Just press 6 if you have attempted. I'm glad for you. Glad, very much encouraging. Now we are moving on for the next tool called process. Thank you. Now we are moving on to GPT email writers, right? Now look at there. What do you want to ask? So shall we ask about Xavier Board of Higher Education? Describe Xavier Board of Higher Education. Look at there. Yes. Some more details. It gets me, I can get the data, right? See, for example, I would like to know about St. Xavier's College, Palankote. St. Xavier's College, Palankote. Okay. Look at there. I'm able to get the details of St. Xavier's College exactly, in a nutshell. Shall I write a poem on St. Xavier's College? Make it as a poem. Look at here. Make it as a poem. Now look at there. I'm just sharing my screen with you all. Now look at there. I'm just sharing my screen with you all. Now you find it academic. I just, for example, on 7/4/2024 at 11:30 in Father Principal Office. See, this is what I have given. Now, it paraphrases. Look at there. Professionally, it paraphrases. All the heads of the departments are requested to be present for a meeting scheduled to address admissions for the academic year taking place on. See, beautifully. Now you want to have something. See, just put something else. See, it will paraphrase again. Look at here. All the department leaders are summoned to convene a meeting for concerning. See, something like that. So you can choose the best one. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Now, how can we make use of this chat GPT for academic purpose? We can generate lecture to a got 5-layer model, 3-layer model. It has explained me, given me 5-layer model beautifully. It is very simple for the students to use it. Have you all understood, dear professors? Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood this? Now, can we generate questions? Can we generate questions? I will answer your questions. Professors, some of the queries are there. I couldn't take up the queries because I'm worried about the time. I need 3 days, as I told you. Now, within two hours, we are making it, right? Now, can I make use of the same for generating questions? Yes, of course. Look at that. Can I generate MCQs? Look at here. Generate MCQ, 10 MCQ. 10 MCQ. Each unit, MCQ based on the following syllabus. Look at there. Descriptions, definitions. Okay, this is 10 into 2. 10 into 2, K2 level. Look at your K2 level. And I want two questions from each unit. Look at your 2 questions from each unit. 2 questions from each unit. So I have to ensure that distribution of questions from every part of the lesson, every part of the unit. And 2 questions from each unit. And this is 2 marks, right? Now I'm going for the part 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Now unknowingly it has just been taken. Let me just take it again. I've not completed, but it has gone so fast. Let me just copy once again. I'm doing it again. Yeah. So I have just gone for part B, and now I'm going for part C. Look at the part C. It is short answers. Okay, this is 5 into 7. 5 into 7. This is K3 and K4 level. Okay, 1 question from each unit. 1 question from each unit. Okay, fine. Now I'm going for part D. Part D, essay type questions. 5 into 10. Okay, 5 into 10. We can choose. For example, sometimes 3 questions we'll ask. We can choose. And this is K5 and K6. See, this is how we should go for the prompt. K6 and K6. Now, one question from each unit. Professors, now I'm ready. Look at there. Start the questions with the Bloom's taxonomy, new verbs of OBE, right? I've given. Now the prompt is ready. Now the syllabus. I'm going for the syllabus. See, now what do? I just copy the entire syllabus, all the 5 units. Look at there. All the 5 units. Unit 1, see all the 5 units are chosen, copied. Okay, copy. Now I'm coming back. I'm pasting it under the syllabus. Right, I pasted. See all the 5 units I have pasted. Now enter. Now look at there. It will generate the question. Look at here. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 questions are generated. And second question, look at here. Describe, discuss, define, provide, elaborate, explain, all that, analyze. All that has been. See, short answers. Analyze the importance of sensors, discuss, explain, describe, evaluate. Critically analyze. Look at here. See the Bloom's taxonomy. Critically analyze, discuss the significance, evaluate the challenges, assess the security aspects, explore the application. See all the questions have been generated, right? Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood generating question paper? Sir, I've taught already about MCQ, sir. Answers, yeah, you can get the answers. For example, look at here. See, generate answers. Look at your answers for part A and part B. Look at your part A and part B. Look at your process. Answers for part A and part B. I'll be able to get the answers. Look at here. See, I'm able to get the answers. See, scheme of evaluation. Got the answers for part A and part B. Look at here. Description. See, description for all the answers. 7, 8, 10. Now I'm going for scheme of evaluation. Look at your scheme of valuation for part C and part D. That's all. Part D. Look at there. Time is reduced. See here. Scheme of valuation. Make it for mark wise. Look at here. Make it for each question with marks distribution. See, make it for each question and marks distribution. See, look at here. Depth of understanding. It says this is general rubrics. This gives us general rubrics, but actual answers. So look at here. I'm just going for actual answers and along with it scheme of valuation with the mark distribution. So you'll have to make it properly. Look at here. So now it gives us the scheme of valuation. Look at here. It gives me the answers and scheme. Look at here. See, totally 8 marks. See here. See, it gives me. So how it could be given, and the answer and the scheme of marks, all that are given, right? So professors, you will be able to get the scheme of valuation for the questions also. It lies on the prompt that you type. Okay, dear professors, you can use this tool for creating question, generating question, and scheme of valuation. Have you all understood, dear professors? Will you be able to make it? Professors, have you all understood? Will you be able to make it an entire set of question paper? But the thing is that we need to just go put our, we should not use it as it is. We need to put our brain and modify the questions based on the need of our students, based on the need of our own college and so on. Now, I'm just taking you all for another tool called Gemini, the similar tool called Gemini, right? I'm just taking you all for the similar tool called Gemini. Let me just explore. Kindly hold for a while. Yes, professors, kindly hold for a while. I'm just taking you all for a tool called Gemini. Right. This is called Gemini. Just go to Google. This is the tool. This is the tool, similar tool to ChatGPT. Similar tool than ChatGPT, right? Go to Google and type Gemini. It is a tool by chatbot by Google. Click the link, gemini.google.com. Click that link. Gemini.google.com. Click that link. It will take you to this. Okay. Now you will have to sign up. Click chat with Gemini. Click that. And it will just, you will have to choose the account. So I'm choosing one of the other accounts. Now look at there. I am into Gemini. Just use Google. Now look at there. What are things that you can do? Anything that you can just generate using this. For example, can I get guidance for research? Yes. Guide me with some hot areas of research in artificial intelligence. Look at here. Artificial intelligence. For likewise, you can just ask it. Guide me with some hot areas of research in artificial intelligence. It gives me, look at here, See, NLP, deep learning, explainable AI, reinforcement learning, generative adversarial networks, neuromorphic computing, AI and robotics. Now I would like to go for ethical AI, the last topic. Look at ethical AI. Now, suggest me some problems for PhD research on ethical AI. Look at there. See, I'm just narrow downing the topic. Based on the suggestion, I'm just going. See here. See, these are all some of the problems. Bias and fairness. See, these are all some of the social issues. Emerging technologies. Look at here. These are all some of the problems that I get. So I just would like to suggest a topic of the PhD research based on the above input. So we'll be able to get some ideas, not exactly whatever it is suggested taking it. No, we'll be able to get some ideas. Look at your research questions. These are all research questions. See here. See, the topic is explainable AI for mitigating bias algorithm decision making in healthcare. Beautiful, no? Explainable AI for mitigating bias in AI algorithms decision making. Now I got the topic. Now I can explore. See here, I've got input. So can I get the abstract for the research? So I just generate abstract for the research. See, I'm able to get the abstract for the research for this title. So I'll be able to get suggestions. I'll be able to get problem statement. I'll be able to get review literature. For example, we spend a lot of time in review literature. Copy the entire article and load it here, and ask it to review. It will give you the review, both positive and negative. I mean, the future enhancement aspect. So we'll take it. And if you want, you might have written the article. Copy the entire article and put it here. Paraphrase. Use the word called paraphrase. It will give you the professional article for you to just submit with your own ideas. Just give your own ideas. It will generate. Look at here. For the above topic, I've got the abstract. Can I generate the article? Yes, of course, I can generate the article, but with our own effort. So just for introduction, you just feed your input. It will generate elaborate input. Feed your article one by one. It will create you with the gist of the review. And thirdly, if you would like to generate abstract at the end, it will be able to generate. You want to analyze certain data, it will do analysis also. So all that could be done with the help of any of these chatbots. It can be done in ChatGPT. It can be done in Gemini. And professors, have you all understood? How could we leverage these chatbots for research? Please explore. I don't have time, so I request all of you to please explore. You can get beautiful titles. For example, some of us will just break our heads to just frame the title. Just feed your title. It will formulate different titles, different suggestions. For example, you want to have a suggestion on conferences. See, for example, suggest me titles for international conference on artificial intelligence. Look at here. It will give me titles. So you can just choose the attractive titles based on that. Look at there. You can. Gemini can, which is not. Here you get the references also. In Gemini you get references. Yes, Dr. Aimuna. Look at there. See, you'll be able to just get titles. AI shaping the future of intelligence. The next generator, frontier, breaking through challenges in artificial intelligence. See, these are all some of the titles. The title could be International Conference on Artificial Intelligence, and the title AI for Good, Empowering Humanity Through Intelligent Solution. These are all some of the topics that it suggests. So based on that, we can use it. Now, there is one more feature in this tool called, adding a picture. There is an option. Look at here. You upload Dr. Roslyn. There won't be plagiarism. For example, you ask a question, I ask a question, the same question both of us ask, we get different answers. And second time if you ask, it gives you different answers. Every time it gives you with different answers. Okay. So there won't be with plagiarism. But of course, we should not generate it by its own. We have to feed our input and ask it to generate. Now I'm just uploading an input. Look at here, I'm uploading a picture. Professors, I'm just clicking and uploading a picture. Look at there. I'm just uploading a picture. Look at here. I'm just uploading a flyer. Yeah, AI detector will detect. Dr. Yamuna, AI detector will detect. We also have a tool. I introduced a tool. Have you understood? I introduced an add-on called GPT minus. So that will just paraphrase your words. Okay, that will not be identified by AI tools, right? Just look at here. I'm just uploading a flyer. I'm asking it to generate a report based on that. Look at here. Describe. Look at here. Describe the flyer. Describe the flyer or brochure. Look at here. See, I have uploaded a brochure. Please understand, I have uploaded a brochure. I wanted to describe the flyer. Look at there. Look at there. It will just go through the flyer and it gives me the description of what is found in the flyer. Okay, I need not go through. Look at there. See, it generates the report. For example, I have the, look at here. See, it is the flyer is about the advertisement of, advertisement of a camp, summer camp, and the features of the summer camp. All that it is given me. See here, beautifully, who conducts the course and so on. From a clear TDA process, beautifully. See, it has gone through the flyer and gives me the gist of it. Okay, artificial intelligence based research, image based research. Okay, it gives the details by going through this, right? Now the another tool. Look at here. I just go and make another one. Just click, upload the picture. I'm just getting the invitation of the picture. Look at there. I'm just getting the invitation of the picture. Our own Xavier board. Look at here. This is the invitation. I have uploaded the invitation. Now, what do? I want to generate the report of the invitation. Okay. I want to generate the report. Generate a report on the invitation. Right? Invitation. Okay. Okay. I have given. Generate a report. Now enter. Look at the dear process. I have uploaded our own invitation. It will generate me a report without writing, without we writing the report. It takes the input from the picture, loaded, and it gives me the report. Look at here. Look at here. See, it is conducted by St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai, AI tools, and look at here. See, look at here, minute by minute. Generate it as a paragraph. Make it as a paragraph. Look at it. It tells me that 5:45, Dr. Rexy will pray and Dr. Father Maridas will welcome. And it goes. Look at here. I'm just making it as a paragraph. Look at your process. St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai hosted a seminar on AI tools for teaching, learning, evaluation. From date, the time, the event was organized by the college internal quality assurance. The program was program began with a prayer, and it goes. Okay, you can just give some insights of the program and the report is ready. How do you feel about this? You add your content and it generates a report. For example, you upload the flow diagram. You upload an architecture diagram for a research. It gives you the description of the picture. You upload anything relevant to your academic content. It produces the report. Am I clear to you, dear professors? How do you find this? This is something interesting, no? So you can get the report of anything that we want to get the description of some of the presentation or some of the flow diagrams and so on. You'll be able to make it. Process, have you all got it? Have you all got it? I'm moving on to the next tool. Process, I'm sorry I couldn't give you time for a self-exploration due to want of time. The next tool that we are going to explore is Black Box AI. Black Box AI. Go to Google. Process, please go to Google. This is similar to ChatGPT, right? Black Box AI. Black Box AI. Yeah, interpreter. Yes, sir. You copy Dr. Saravana Kumar, you copy the table and put it here, sir. You'll be able to interpret. Copy the table and put it there, and you'll be able to get the interpretation. Or just get the copy the data set and put it there. It will just give you the analytics of the table. Yeah, it will interpret. Now click www.blackbox.ai. Just click the link blackbox.ai. What is this tool? This tool is exclusively for technology-based teachers, computer science teachers. If you want to generate a language, so look at here, you will have to log in using Google. Please log in using Google. See, for example, I just wanted to generate a code. For example, my research-based code. I want to implement something. See, for example, generate coordinates for ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, ECC, elliptic curve cryptography. Look at the elliptic curve cryptography using Python. Look at it. I want to have Python code. Look at there. It beautifully generates me Python code for elliptic curve cryptography. Look at there. And it gives me, see, it has generated. Okay. Now generate the code in generate the code in Java. I'll be able to get the code in Java also. Look at there. Okay, I'm able to get the code in Java. Okay, look at there. It generates the code. I can copy and make it. How do I copy? Look at there. There is an option to copy, or you can just use this right click and copy. Okay. Can I generate a website? Can I design a website? Yes, of course. A website can be generated. Look at there. Generate a website for St. Xavier's Palayam Kotai with the following menu. Is it visible to you all? Is it visible? Yeah. Now look at the following menu. Now home page, second one, about us, third one, okay, departments, and the fourth one, gallery. Due to want of time, I'm just going a bit faster. Content, the cards are contact. Okay. And use HTML, PHP, and CSS. Okay. Look at here. I will have to give the content for each page. I have no time to give. So right now, I just wanted to give the skeleton alone. Look at there. It will immediately generate me, web pages with the code. Beautifully. So all language teachers can just explore this tool for your students. Look at here. The website is being generated. Look at here. See, beautifully it is being generated. Now I'll just show you. I'll just copy this and put it in. See here. The CSS is also generated. Now, dear process, you will wonder, see here, the code has been generated. I just copy this code. Okay, I've just copied this code. Okay, copied and put it in Notepad. Look at there. I put it in Notepad. And I run this. Look at here. I just put it in the Notepad. I have put it in the Notepad. See the code that I have generated. I am saving this. Just showing you and just inside. I just put it in Xavier board folder. Okay, Xavier board folder. Make it as website.html. So I have saved it. Now let me just take you to that folder and show you the website generated. Just with the help of, you can even generate, mobile app with this tool. See here. I just go to the Xavier board website and I get it. Look at there. I have got the website generated. I just open. Look at there. See the home page. Now I'll have to make it colorful. I'll have to make it see welcome to Palayam Kotai, about us, and departments, gallery, and so on. Look at here. So when I click home page, it goes to home page, and I click see departments, all that. I'll have to use the code. Am I clear to you, dear professors? If I want to change the code, make it colorful and so on, I'll have to slowly prompt and design. Okay, so this is an example of generating code for the production of software and so on. Right. Now, dear professors, this tool also can be used for other prompts, right? For academic purposes. For example, suggest me some creative assignments given to the students based on Archimedes law. Look at here. So it gives me beautiful suggestion of Archimedes law. Look at here. Floating garden design. Second one is boat. See here, these are all an example of Archimedes law. We can give it to the students as assignments. Look at here. Archimedes screw, boat design, and bathroom scale, and diving bell, balloon pop game. See, this the explanation is also there. We can give it to the student instead of written assignments. The students will also be developing their critical skills, right? So to get critical assignments, we'll be able to get using this tool. And one more beautiful thing is that we can generate customized chatbot. Please understand, we can generate customized chatbot. How? Look at there is an option, create chatbot. Create chatbot, right? Click that, create chatbot. Click create chatbot. Professors, once again, look at here, look at the option. There is an option here, create chatbot. Click that. Click create chatbot and you get this. Now I'm just making it as admissions. or just my St. Xavier's College. St. Xavier's College, Palayam, Kottai. Right, fine. Now I just give the instruction. Answer to the questions asked by the users based on the content available. Okay, right, done. Now look at here. How does it answer? You will have to feed. See, how do we feed? We can feed as a text form. We can feed it as URL, web links. We can feed it as file, PDF, or whatever content you have, you feed it. And for example, if you want to generate a chat bot for admissions, you put the admission policy, you put the eligibility criteria, you put the flyer for admission, you put the prospectus. So based on that, whatever questions asked by the students, it will answer. Now, right now, I'm just taking up, just link for St. Xavier's College. St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai. I'm getting the link for the college and I just go get some of the cells. See, it will take time. Originally to develop, it will take time. Look at there, I'm just copying. I'm copying and putting the link here, pasting the link here. I want to add some more link. Add URL and go to St. Xavier's College website and get the URL. Look at here about, administration. See, for example, you just go to administration, click for administration or admissions. Look at there. I just wanted to go for admissions. So I got some information on admissions. So it is under construction. So sorry. Now I just go for other details. See, for example, I just put something relevant to principal. Look at here. Just I copy and put it in the chat bot. Principal's notice. Add URL. Now I'm just taking one more just academics aided courses. Now look at there. Aided course link. I have copied and put it here. And I want to go with one more link. Self-finance courses. I just copy from the self-finance courses. I just paste it here. Now I put. Now if I want to add a file, look at there, dear professors. If you want to add a file, you will you'll be able to make it. Please make it. You can add even a file. Look at there. You can add a file. How? Just choose the file option. You'll be able to add a file. Right? Am I clear to you, dear professors? You'll be able to add a file too by clicking this. Choose the file. Right now, I don't have time, so I just would like to go for, I would like to go directly for creating the chatbots. Click and the chatbot will be created. Use the option create, the chatbot will be created. Right. Look at your process. The chatbot is ready. The chatbot is ready. Now look at there. How can you send this to people? Just click this share option. The link is copied. Now I'm just sending you. You just ask some questions relevant to St. Xavier's College. Whatever whatever link that I've given, only based on that it will answer. See, for example, some course relevant to now, I'm going to ask. See here, I'm going to ask here. I have copied the link and shared it with you. List me the aided courses. Aided courses offered. Look at this. List me the aided courses offered. Let me check whether it is able to give me the answers. So it gives me some of the aided courses. So, but it is not able to answer because I have not given enough feedback, right? Now let me just take up answer from the links given. Professors, please understand it has to be done clearly. You will have to feed enough and more. You will have to feed the word. You will have to feed the input in the form of files. It will answer based on that. Otherwise, you will not be able to get it. Now, self-finance courses. Self-finance courses offered by St. Xavier's College. We will get some of the courses. Okay. Look at here. Okay, dear professor, some of the courses are offered. It may not be, you may not get the perfect answers. You may not get perfect answers because I have not shared properly, no? I have not shared. So if you have just given proper links, proper files, you'll be able to get that. I have also told you how to share the link. So copy the link and share it. Process, have you all understood? Try properly giving the input. Otherwise, we'll end up in getting wrong answers. Am I clear? Professors, have you all understood? Using this tool, generating or customizing the chatbot, you can integrate this link into your college website for admissions. If you have given enough and more feedback, yeah. I have not got the links relevant to feedback. Madam Kasuri, madam, I have not got the link. See, I have not given the input. No, it will not give me. I have to give me the proper links, proper input. Only then I'll be able to get proper answers. Right. Now, have you all understood? Shall I move on to the next tool? I think I'm running short of the time. I just move on to the next tool called Alena. Please go to Alena. Professors, I just go to Google. Before going to, shall I skip now? I just, choice is given to you. Now, due to want of time, shall I make PPT maker? I'll just make one PPT maker. Then I'll go for, MCQ generator and porting it to some other tools, right? With that, we'll stop. And we may just go in for the international conference on extended artificial organized if you are interested. Okay. Now I'm going for the tool called Gamma. Look at there. Gamma. Go to Google. Professors, please go to Google. Go to Google. Please go to Google and type Gamma. Please go to Google and type Gamma. The first link that you get is gamma.app. Click on the link, gamma.app. Okay, gamma.app. I share the link with you. And you got several tools like this to generate PPT. Okay, to generate PPT. Now look at there. I just enter the title. Just go, you get an option like this. Please use Google to log in. Okay, after logging in, you will get an option like create new. Create new. Yes, Dr. Saleh, Zoom also gives you, presentation maker. Just click create new. And you have immediately after clicking create new, you have option generate. Click that, generate. After pressing generate, you have option presentation, right? You can create 10 slides using this. Look at here, 10 slides. 10 slides. Now I just wanted to generate a PowerPoint. Can you give me a topic? Can anyone give me a topic to generate a presentation? Can you give me a topic? Quickly make it. Just one of the topics. Can you give me a topic quickly? I can generate the presentation. Machine learning. Okay, some simple topic. Digital marketing. Okay, I just go for digital marketing. Digital marketing. So that everybody understands, right? Digital marketing. Okay, fine. Now you can choose the language. It can be done in Hindi also. It can be done in Hindi. Not in regional languages, but it can be done in Hindi. Right. Now I just go generate outline. Click generate outlines. Automatically, you will get the outlines for the presentation. If you want to change, you can very well change. Look at here. If you want to change, you can very well change. Say, I don't want this, so I can change. See, email marketing. See, I'm just making a change. Instead of email marketing, some other marketing, you can make a change. Right? Have you all understood? See, the outline is after giving the topic, the outline is generated. After getting the outline, after approving or after correction of this outline, correcting the outline, you can go for continue. So immediately after pressing continue, you will get different models, different templates. Choose the template which you want to generate. See, I just want to go with this template. Okay, shall I go with this template? See, just go get the template. Okay, I just go with the green one. Just click generate. That's all. In no time, your PowerPoint will be ready. Stunning PowerPoint with beautiful pictures, relevant pictures generated by AI will be ready. How do you edit? There is an option to edit. Also, you can just look at the digital marketing and overview. The first slide is ready. It generates me the picture. And look at there, the second picture is ready. Second slide is ready. And the third slide is ready. It is getting ready with a picture. And the fourth slide is ready. And the fifth slide is ready. It goes on. It goes on. It goes on. People who are part of this, see here, you will understand, see search engine optimization. It's part of the social media marketing. And the next, look at there, and the next one. Content marketing. So I am able to get the detailed presentation. Now, how can I edit this? How can I edit this? Look at there. See here, beautiful pictures. These are all pictures generated by AI. So we will not have copyrighted issues. Okay. So now it is getting a bit slower. It won't be taking much time like this. Now I've got all the 10 slides ready. Now, how can I download this? How can I edit this? Please see, dear professors. It can be edited at any point of time. The pictures can be edited. the design can be edited, the text can be edited, all that can be edited. See, though this picture seem to be like, picture taken from Google, it is not from Google. AI generated image. AI generated image, right? So we can edit by using these tools. Look at here. You can use these tools to edit. You can add pictures, you can add images, you can add formatting and so on. Now, how can you download? See, we may not be that familiar with editing using this tool. Can I download it in the presentation, MS Office, and edit it? Yes, it can be downloaded as MS PowerPoint. How? See, near the DP on the top right corner, click the 3 dot form. Click the 3 dot and you have an option export. Click the export and you find with 2 options, export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. Click export to PowerPoint. Now look at here, your presentation is downloaded in the PPT format and which could be edited. Okay, this is Gamma. Professors, we don't have time. I'm unable to explore. And the next tool we are going to see here, I just show you. See, this is downloaded. Let me just show you the tool. Look at here, it is downloaded. Let me just open it and show you in the form of presentation. Look at there. I'm able to edit this. I'm in PowerPoint right now. Professors, right now I'm in PowerPoint. I'm able to edit this. See, I'm able to edit. See, I can even delete the thing. Right. Let me just run this for you. Look at there. See, this is the presentation that I have generated. Beautiful, no? We can make it colorful. We can edit it. Okay, right? Have you all understood, dear professors? We can customize the content using this PowerPoint. This is actually PowerPoint. Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood generating a presentation using this tool? You can explore it, and you can even explore it as a link. By clicking this, you get link and that can be generated and that can be shared to the students. Have you all understood, dear professors? Have you all understood, dear professors? Shall we go on to the next one? Next tool called, QuestionWell. QuestionWell is a beautiful tool. You will all enjoy. QuestionWell. Please go to Google. Due to want of time, I just go quickly. Maybe we can explore in an elaborated session. Okay, don't worry. I just would like to introduce more tools. This is called QuestionWell. Please go to Google and type QuestionWell. QuestionWell. QuestionWell.org. This is a wonderful formative assessment tool generated. The QuestionWell, the meaning could be the QuestionWell where you can extract questions, take questions, or ask the question well. Right. Now look at here, try out. First link that you get is try out. Then you go to QuestionWell.org. I'm giving you the link in the chat. Just make note of it and click try it out. Click try it out. Once after going into try it out option, look at there, it takes me to login form. So I'll have to click using Google. Please press using Google. I'm able to log into Google. I got it. Now I just log into my Google account. I'm into Google. I'm into Google. Right. Press continue. I'm there, right, ready. Right. I'll have to just press the condition OK. Then I'll have to just click continue. That's all. You are ready. Now, how many questions that I can generate? Look at there. I can generate up to 20 questions in a session. Now you'll have to give the topic here. Based on that, it generates. Now I wanted to generate something on. Look at there. I want to generate something on artificial intelligence or NEP or in general. Shall we go in general? For example, parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay, English. Parts of speech. Okay. Now, see, I have just provided how many questions that I want to go. Multiple choice and the title of the question. Now look at there. When I just go for the grade level. See, this is for college students. And what language you want to get it generated. It can be generated in Hindi also. It can be generated in regional languages also. Now I wanted to go for English. So I have just got it. I have selected opted for English and click generate questions. That's all. Within few seconds, you will be able to generate 10 questions based on that. Now this is method 1. Second method is you just copy the input, paste it here. And based on that, MCQs can be generated. Am I clear to you? I just give my input. See, for example, you have a lecture today. Just copy your input, copy the lecture note and put it here. No, it isn't available in Tamil, Dr. Suresh. Now look at there. In the parts of speech, the question is generated. Now, by going through the question, what will be the outcome? Look at here. The outcome is given here, learning outcome. Bloom's taxonomy. Okay, learning outcomes. And you also get 10 questions. These 10 questions can be edited. Okay, it can be edited at any time. Okay, see here, I can edit it. And you can, after editing, just come on the top. You can either select one by one, or you can select the entire question. Look at here, select all. Now, the beauty is that not only generating questions, the same questions can be ported into any of the formative assessment tools. Very interesting tools are there. Look at there, I just press export. When I click export, see there are about 14 tools. Some of us are familiar with all these tools: Quizzes, Kahoot, Canva, Schoology, Moodle, Microsoft Forms, Google Forms. Now I just choose Google Forms. Look at here, I just choose Google Form. These question generator will be going into Google Form. See, check the question once again. Look at there. Check the question once again so that you can be familiar. See, what do adjectives do in sentence, right? Can I just port these questions into Google Form? Yes. Click export. Click Google Form. Look at here. In the list, you find Google Form. Click that. And it is ported into Google Form. The same question is ported into Google Form. I'll have to choose the Google account first. Okay. Just hold on. Alagaraja sir, could you please give me another 10 minutes if possible? Professors, with your permission, can I go ahead?
Go ahead, sir.
Professors, can I have your permission to go further?
Yeah, please, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you. Yes, professors. 1 minute, dear professors. I'm just choosing my account. So I'm into it. Now, once after choosing the account, I'll just get the answers. They get the questions in. Look at there. Look at there. So automatically, we get all these questions ported into Google Form. Look at there. Beautifully. These questions are loaded into Google Form. Look at there. Once again, let me just make it here, professors. Press expert. Click Google Form. And look at there, after just enabling the Google account, it takes me to the Google Form. Look at there, view in Google Form. I get the questions in Google Form. Look at there, beautifully. Shortly, you can generate questions. Look at there. What do adjectives do in sentences? Look at there, parts of speech, and marks are also given. See, beautiful, no? See, am I clear to you, dear professors? Got it. Now, in the similar way, I'm just taking you all to the next. Have you all understood, professors? Have you all understood? Have you all understood? Once again, I'm just taking you all to the previous one. Look at that, go to try out. Process, have you all understood? Have you all understood? Now I'm going for giving my own content. Now I want to have 10 questions, multiple choice, and the title is Internet of Things. Or it will generate the title on its own. Look at here. I just copy from my syllabus. I just copy the syllabus and go back. Look at your professors. I paste the syllabus here. See the title is automatically posted. Look at there. See, carefully noted. Look at here. I have not pasted anything. See, see it is empty now. So based on the content pasted here, automatically this title is generated. Look at here. I'm pasting the content, and based on that, the title has been generated. Right? Title for the test. And now the grade. Choose the grade. It can be for college and English language. See, you have other languages too. Look at there, you have other languages too. Okay, right now I just go for English, UK. Now click generate questions. Automatically, it generates 10 questions. Now I'm going to download this in a Word file. Can I download this in a Word file? Yes, it can be downloaded in Word file. Also, I'll show you how could be it ported to other tool called Quizzes. There's a beautiful tool called Quizzes. Okay, now look at there. So I have generated. Process I have generated. Look at here, I have generated my questions based on the syllabus that I have given. And the learning outcome. Look at here, learning outcomes also there. Now I want to just get it in MS Word. Click export. Now in the list at the bottom, you find Microsoft Word. Click that. And what do you want to download? Answer key, essential question, learning objectives. I want to download all these. Press export. So in a short time, all these questions are exported into a Word file. Look at there. So these are all questions are generated and exported into Word file. Look at there. Essential questions, learning objectives of the questions. These days, people ask all of us to give learning objectives. See here, all the questions and the answers are also along with the questions. So it is generated and it is ported into MS Word. Now, can I do that in another tool called, look at here, there is an option expert. Click that. There are tools like Quizzes, Kahoot. So I'm just doing it for you in Quizzes. Click Quizzes, click on Quizzes, and the same is downloaded in the form of, Excel file. It is downloaded in the form of Excel file, right? So I have to go to Quizzes and port this Excel file and to run for the students. Like, look at there how I just go. Professors, I'm going for the next tool. So far, I have told you how to generate the questions using, automatically by giving the title or giving the content, it generated questions. Now I'm just going for Quizzes. This is another tool. Go to Google, go to google.com and just type Quizzes. Okay, type Quizzes. Quizzes.com. Quizzes.com. Go over to it. Go over to Quizzes. Now I'll have to sign up. Click sign up. Click sign up. It will just take you within 2-3 seconds. Okay. Right with Google. Look at here. I just use with Google. I can use with Google and I can choose the Google account. I have to choose one of the Google account that I use. And immediately there, I'm there into Quizzes. Quizzes is one of the formative assessment tool, which is done in a gamified way, very interesting way. Music will be there, and you can put them into teams, you can put them individual work, or you can put them into groups, and so on. All right, it is unusually taking time. I'm sorry. I just make it. Let me just. Yeah, now, Professor Sasikumar, I come back to you, Professor. I'm sorry. I'm concentrating on the demonstration. I'll take up your queries little later. I'm sorry. I'll just answer your queries maybe later. Right, now look at there. I'm into Quizzes. I'm into Quizzes. Look at there. Now, there is an option quiz, generate quiz. Okay, there. Okay. Right, let me just go for Quizzes. Okay. Professors, kindly hold on. It takes unusual time. Quizzes.com. Let me just take instead of join. See, it has taken me for join option. Let me just go with the quiz. 1 minute. Dear professors, kindly hold on for a while. Okay, it has taken me for join option. 1 minute. Let me just go for process there. I'll have to just create classes. It has taken me for student account. So just go for create. You will find an option create. Process, you will find an option create in your account. Okay. You will find an option create. So this will be the, look at here, this will be the option immediately after logging in, right? There you find create. Look at here, create. Click that. And there is an option quiz. Click that. And come down. See, after clicking create, come down. You have so many options. See, for example, look at your process. Once again, let me make it for you. Once again, let me make it for you. Just click create. You have option quiz. And it will take you to the next page, which will give you option for creating quizzes. Look at here how. Look at there is an option spreadsheet. There is an option spreadsheet. Click that. Upload from device. Click that. And load the Excel sheet that is created by QuestionWell. Look at there, it is in the downloads folder. See, this is what that we have created using QuestionWell. Open it. So those questions generated in QuestionWell are ported here, which can be shared to the students as the gamified, quiz. Look at here, all the 10 questions are generated. Press import. So now what happens? See, all the 10 questions are here. Now I can add the timer. See, for questions, add the time, less time. For example, each question should be for only 40 seconds. So that when you conduct it in the class, immediately after your presentation, the students should take very less time. Otherwise, they will be going for mobile and check for answers. And you can even just modify the points and you can run it by giving publish. Click publish and you will be able to share a link to the students and they'll be joining. It is very, very interesting to conduct quiz. Right now, I don't have time. Have you all understood, dear participants? The same quizzes, I will explore it later. The same quizzes can be used for generating quiz with the giving title. Give the title, automatically it will generate quiz. Second one, you upload your lecture notes. For example, you have your own PPT, you have your own lecture notes in the form of Word or PowerPoint. Upload it. The quiz will be generated. And thirdly, you get URL. For example, you get a URL from where you have conducted some lessons in extra learning materials. Copy the URL and post it here. Automatically, the questions are generated from the web page. Okay. One is from the title. The next one is from the content in the form of file. And the third one is URL, web address. Give the web address. Based on the web address, the questions are generated. This is Quizzes, a very interesting tool. And dear professors, the last tool, with that we will stop. Okay, the last tool that we are going to explore is Alena. Beautiful tool. This is called Alena. Just go to alena.us. 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 Professors, I just type here alena.us. Alena.us. I just copy the link and share it with you all. You can just try using this link. This is alena.us. Let me just explore what are all that you can generate using this tool. With that, I'll stop. Okay, we don't have time for video making and so on. We will make it on some other day. Look at here. See here. What are things that you can ask? Like other ChatGPT, you can attach a file and you can ask. For example, you can attach an Excel sheet, ask it to analyze the data. You can attach a Word file, ask it to generate some analytics and so on. And look at here. Now, what are things that you can generate? You can generate essential things. For example, I just give it as Internet of Things or maybe artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. See, these are all instant resources. What are the things that you can generate? Look at here. See, it can generate, look at there. Instant resources. Graduate level. What level? Adult education. Subject, science. Look at here. I'll have to go for science and technology. Given. And you want to have different resources, just press yes or no, just submit. And what are the things that you can generate? Look at there. You can generate lecture notes. You can generate, see, beautifully, you will have so many options to generate. Look at there. You can generate summary. You can generate, look at here. What are things? See, reading material, summary of the reading material, main idea about the theme that I have given, discussed questions in the lecture, and lesson hook. See, these are all some gist of the lesson. And flashcards. Look at here. These are all flashcards and some games and MCQs for the, MCQ for the title that I have given. Fill in the blanks for the title that I have given. And true or false for the title that I have given. All that are obtained. Am I clear to you, dear professors? This can be downloaded or copied. Am I clear to you, dear professors? These are all generated. Look at there. A picture is also generated based on the title that I have given. Now look at there. Sir, I'm just stopping here. Sorry. Now look at there. The next option is curriculum generator. What are things that you can generate? You can generate syllabus. You can generate scope of other sequential tool, that is content in different form, unit planner and lesson planner, quiz generator, rubric generator, guidance for evaluation and learning activity. This is a beautiful option. Look at your process. I want to assess my students. What are all the skills that I want to assess? Rubrics are generated. And creative activities can be generated beautifully. Look at here. I just show you this and just finish. Learning activity. Look at there. I just wanted to generate an activity or identifying, psychological. Say, for example, learning or computer networks, generating or creating new computer networks design. Okay, designing computer networks, right? Graduate level, see, I just want to go for graduate 13. Okay, graduate 13 subject. You can just go with science or social science or something like that. And you can upload a file. You can upload your own file and next get started. And you can just choose few options. Please choose few options. After choosing few options, it will give you, look at there. And the concept, focus concept. Okay, designing a new network. I'm wrong in spelling. It will correct automatically. Okay. Design new network. Focus skills. What are the skills? See, critical analysis, research methods. See, these are all skills that I wanted to identify. Okay. So these are all skills that I wanted to identify. So these two skills. Activity type. What type that you want to do? So presentation. Look at here. Presentation. I want to go for presentation. I want to go for a research project. Two things that I want to do from my students. Lesson stage, is it easier level or difficult level? All those things. See, I just wanted to make them as a homework. Look at your homework. Now, duration, how long? Group size, see, I want to do it as a small group. And later I want to go for needs. What are the skills that you want to assess? See here, cognitive skills, academic skills, and scientific temper, and so on. All that you can just get, come down, and student interest. Just type the student interest. Based on that, you'll be able to generate. Okay. Students learning ability, or students understanding in network. Students understanding the network. Okay, right, done. Now, dear professors, immediately after doing that, we'll be able to just go for the next option. Like click generate, and automatically look at their process. 10 different activities will be generated. You can choose the activities, beautiful activities for all the subjects. It can be for science, it can be for art, it can be for commerce, it can be for languages, all the activities. Look at their generating activity. Look at here. The first activity is designing a new computer network presentation. The second one is research network design practice, designing source. So now I go for, see here, analyzing existing computer network. For example, I want my students to analyze the existing computer network available in St. Xavier's College. How? See, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Now click that and you go for this. Just double click and go for generate. Process. Double click and go for generate. On the top, look at there. Continue next step. Select the option and continue next step. Process, we are sharing the link. Sorry, we are sharing the link. Okay. We are sharing the link for feedback. 1 minute. Just I would like to. This is very important. Look at here. Now look at there. The activities for you to understand. Activity description is given. How to prepare the students for the activity and what are the materials needed, and enough introduction about the activity and additional notes needed for the students. Now, after getting all that, please continue to the next step. You will get wonderful, activity generated for my work based on what I have given. Okay, dear professors. So you can create beautiful, activities. Look at there, dear professors. Activity is ready. Now I just generate final output for the activity. It can be just downloaded as Word file. Professors, please understand, it can be downloaded as Word file. You can save it. Look at here. The activity description, preparation for the activity, materials to be used for the activity, introduction, additional notes, and name of the students, date, instructions, and what are the things that they have to copy. See here, these are all answers that they have generate, and these are all analysis that they have to do it for the presentation. And thirdly, teachers how we should evaluate the project. So beautifully we can enhance our students with creative thinking, and critical analysis and so on can be made, particularly with the K level, K5 and K6 with this assignment work. Okay, dear professors, this is Alena. Okay, dear professors, so it can be downloaded. It can be downloaded and can be sent to your students. Okay, see beautifully all that are given clearly. Okay, very interesting it is to note. Right now I don't have time to go through all that. Okay, see, I have given us a study of existing campus network. There it is asking, look at here some questions, strength and weaknesses of the and proposed improvements for our campus, and presentation to be made. All that are given, right? I just go back. Look at here. I just go back. And what are the other things that you can generate images? You can generate slides. Now I just show you with one example of generating images. Click image generator. Right now we have convocations done. So for background, we used to take pictures from Google. It is copyrighted. Can I do it with the new image? Look at here. Generate image background for convocation having pictures of Indian youth. Look at there. Convocation picture for convocation having youth or Indian youth. Otherwise, most of the pictures will have pictures of European, youngsters. European based pictures are generated. Right now, look at there. It is beautifully generated. See background. Now it is one. Now you will have to give right. I'm just giving one more description. Convocation convocation picture for convocation with Indian youth tradition found with convocation hat. Right. See here, it generates pictures based on the just input. So I'll have to spend time in generating the prompt. Only then it will generate beautiful, interesting prompts. Right. Okay, dear professors, you can even generate slides. So, dear professors, so I would like to sum up. At the beginning, just we have explored. Look at there, Indian youth. Okay. Okay, dear professors. So I'll have to mention this as a photo or something. Accordingly, it will generate. Okay, dear professors. Now, I'm just getting back. I'm just stopping my presentation or demonstration. Now, dear professors, I would like to sum up. I'm sorry for taking your time because I just wanted to go with more number of tools. Now, at the beginning, I have explored you how can we leverage AI tools for teaching, learning, evaluation practices, and how AI is penetrated into other fields, particularly for education. Now, dear professors, we have started with mobile-based tools such as Google Lens, Arlupa, VR-based tool, and later we've gone for PhotoMath and PlantNet identification. These are all mobile tools for picture-based search or for creating AR models or for translations and for mathematical solutions. And later we have gone in for ChatGPT, which could just give us any answer that we want based on the prompt. It can give us lecture notes, it can generate the curriculum, it can generate COs and POs, it can generate questions, it can help us with research activities, research writing and so on, research suggestions and so on. And later we moved on to the tool called Gemini, where we upload the picture. Based on that, we'll be able to generate reports or we'll be able to get the gist of the pictures. Then later with the same the next tool called Blackbox AI, where we are able to generate codes, generate projects for mobile app, generate projects for websites, and how to customize ChatGPT. Now, dear professors, I appeal to all the IQAC coordinators, please try generating your own chatbot for admissions. Give enough input and generate a chatbot and upload it in your websites so that any student would like to explore, they'll be able to get the answers without seeking, without interacting others. Okay, without interacting the teachers and so on. So please generate and see using Blackbox AI. Later, we switched on to the next tool called Gamma.app to generate presentations using artificial intelligence. And we have gone in for the tool called QuestionWell to generate MCQs, which could be ported to either Google Form or all the other, formative assessment tools. And dear professors, later we have gone in for quizzes to upload or port the quiz that is generated in QuestionWell. Last, we have seen Alena.us, beautiful tool for creating learning resources. Curriculum generation, MCQs, or activities, all that can be generated using Alena.us. So, dear professors, thank you very much. I'm sorry I couldn't take up your queries because of my concentration for demo. Usually I answer the questions in between, but due to want of time, it has to be done elaborately for 5 days, but we have done it within 2 hours. So I hope further, if need to be, for example, evaluation separately, it can be done. For teaching learning, there are tools. There are tools for research. So like this, we can go maybe further based on the need, maybe in the extension session. So at this juncture, I would like to thank the organizing team headed by Reverend Father Principal, who has been, given me visibility through this, not only through this, several programs organized by St. Xavier's College, along with the team headed by Dr. Lourdesamy and Dr. Alagraja sir. Thanks to you, sir. Thanks to Father. And of course, to Father Gigi, the president of IACHE, and all the professors who are part of this organizing team. And the professors, I am thankful to all the participants. You were so patient, even if I've gone beyond the time. Sorry, I've taken your time. Thank you for your interaction. I was really encouraged by your interaction. Sorry, I couldn't give you time for hands-on because of the time. Thank you. Over to the organizers. Thank you very much. Thank you, Father. Thank you, sirs.
Thank you, Dr. Vimal Gerald. We extend our gratitude for your invaluable contribution to the recent technical session on AI tools for teaching and learning. Your expertise and insights truly enriched the session, providing our participants with a deeper understanding of the applications of AI in educational contexts. Your ability to elucidate complex concepts and technologies in a clear and accessible manner was greatly appreciated by all attendees. Once again, thank you, sir, for your invaluable contribution. We look forward to the possibility of collaborating with you again in the future. Thank you, sir. As we near the end of our enlightening and engaging technical session on AI tools for teaching and learning, it's time for us to express our gratitude to all those who have made this event possible. I would like to invite Professor A. Amora, Secretary cum Treasurer, Xavier Board of Higher Education, Tamil Nadu Chapter, and Dean of UGC Affairs, St. Mary's College, Tuticorin, to propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, Amora, ma'am.
Sir, Vimal sir, அவங்க Amora ma'am co-host பண்ணுங்க sir.
Oh,
Oh. One second.
yes, sir. She's made us co-host, sir.
Co-host, okay.
Yes, sir.
Amora, ma'am.
Sir, are we going for group photo, sir? Group snap before the participants leave after the vote of thanks?
Yeah, yes sir, yes sir.
It's better for documentation, sir.
So dear participants, kindly,
Amara madam, kindly unmute. You are
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. I have done.
Okay.
the first.
Gratitude. Shall I start?
Yeah, first you can take the group photo and we'll. So all the participants, please unmute the.
We request the participants to please enable your cameras.
Camera.
Kindly enable your cameras for some times. Participants, we request you to kindly enable your cameras for some time so that the
Sir,
organizers
we are
can
not
have
able
a group snap.
on our camera because the host has
Option has not been enabled.
Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. Right. You can try now. You can try now, please. You can try now. Thank you. Happy to see you all smiling after even the tiring session. Keep on smiling so that, sir, is there somebody having the snap, sir?
Yeah, we'll take it, sir.
Sir, is there somebody
Yeah.
taking up, sir?
Yeah, I'll take the screenshot, sir.
Professors, kindly hold on and keep on smiling. We have 5 frames. The technical people are just taking the snap of all the 5 frames.
Yes, sir. Over. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Over to you, Amara ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Gratitude is the memory of a heart that will recognize the good one. It is a privilege and an honor bestowed upon me to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the Xavier Board of Higher Education Tamil Nadu chapter for the online training on AI tools for teaching and learning. First and foremost, I am grateful to God Almighty for the wisdom, coined with strength and knowledge to make this online training program happen. Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty members, and dear participants, a warm welcome and inaugural address by Reverend Father Dr. S. Mariadas, Principal, St. Xavier's College Autonomous Palangotai, provided us with not just a formal opening, but a guiding light towards the importance of integrating AI tools in education. A heartfelt thanks to Reverend Father Dr. L. Joji Reddy, President of for his insightful presidential address emphasizing the transformative potential of AI tools in shaping the future of learning and teaching. A special appreciation to Dr. A. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Autonomous Trichy, for his comprehensive technical session where he elucidated the practical aspects and diverse application of AI tools like Google Lens, Photomath, JATPAT, Gemini, Blackbox, AI, Gamma, etc. in educational context, enlightening us with his expertise. Sir, we will surely use these AI tools for the betterment of students' community. A special note of thanks to the IQAC coordinator, Dr. Alaguraj, Dr. Ludasamy and his team for organizing this online training, which is the need of the hour. I sincerely thank Dr. Agra Orokya Selsi for her MC, Dr. J. Vixi for leading us through the profound prayer, Dr. Krishna Raja for introducing the speaker of the day. Moreover, thank you to the technical team for ensuring smooth connectivity and flawless execution throughout the training session. Special thanks to all the participants, nearly 300 participated, for your engaging messages and contributions which made the session interactive and informative. Last but not the least, I would like to express our appreciation to all the individuals behind the scenes whose efforts contributed to the success of this event. In closing, let us carry forward the insights gained today and continue to explore the harness the power of AI tools for the betterment of education. Once again, thank you on and on.
Thank you, ma'am, for delivering such a gracious and eloquent vote of thanks. Your words beautifully encapsulated the spirit of gratitude and appreciation. Your thoughtful acknowledgement of everyone involved in making this event a success truly resonated with us all, and we are grateful for your contribution to the culmination of this technical session. Dear participants, as we leave this session, let us carry forward the lessons learned, the connections made.
We thank St. Joseph for their support of it.
Yes, Father.
On behalf of our college and IQAC team, we wholeheartedly thank the St. Joseph College providing the Zoom platform and the resource person. Once again, on behalf of all of you and the St. Xavier's management, and wholeheartedly thank you, Dr. Vimal Gerald and the St. Joseph College management. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. I will share the wishes to Father Principal. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Professor Vimal, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your availability at a very, very short time.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much. Dear professors, in case you are willing to undergo such sessions, we are ready to organize, provided a good number of people should attend. We should make use of such experts, those who are working with us. Therefore, express your willingness if you want to, let us say, attend such sessions in future. We are ready to organize. Thank you so much for sparing your precious time with us this evening.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Sir, Alagaraja, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
If they are interested, only those people who are interested in asking for their queries, only for those who are interested, for just for 5 minutes.
Okay, Father. Yeah, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Professors, those of you, because I couldn't take up queries in the chat during the demonstration at the end. So if you would like to have any clarification to be made, you can unmute and ask, or you can just give your queries in the chat so that I can take a few queries. Those who have filled the feedback, you can leave. This is only optional for those who would like to interact. Before we leave, if anybody would like to just clarify anything, because I couldn't take up queries found in the chat at the end of the demonstration. If you are interested in clarifying anything, you're most welcome.
Yeah, processing.
To make it either...
processing, when we raise his hand.
Doctor, please use raise hand option. Professors, please use raise hand option. You can just clarify.
Sir, I just would like to say or make a comment because regarding for example, chat.
Yes, sir. Could you be a little more louder, sir? Could you please little more louder?
Am I audible?
Yeah, could you be a little more louder?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, please.
Hello?
Yeah, yes, you are audible.
I just would like to clarify a few things regarding ChatGPT because I could see that everything is available and then it makes things easier for us. I'm just scared if students, like they become very familiar with ChatGPT, it may even lead to like losing their own creativity. Do you think, sir, that it may be a danger for students or maybe even for us, like we may not even be able to bring our own ideas? I'm just a little scared when I look into this.
Professor Salim, your concern is really wonderful. Yeah, actually, the students are using chat, they are born with technology. They are much ahead of us. They are using all these tools.
Right.
Let them use. The thing is that the role of teachers here is that we need to educate them to properly use these tools. There could be much creativity loaded using these tools. When we use these tools, the creativity will be enhanced because there are plenty of tools will enhance their learning. And the cognition level of the students, when they do it with these kind of technology, will certainly improve. Only thing is that our role is here to make them just not to use as it is. For example, learning a language, learning something in English, for writing a letter, let them write, feed it there and enhance it so that they improve their language, number one. See, for subjects, for example, lecture notes and so on, sometimes, lecture notes that they get it from teachers may be found complex. Say they feed it and they can get it little simpler. Okay, and creative ways of assessments, creative ways of doing works, creative way of projects, and so on could be envisaged using this. The thing is that the role of ours as teachers, that we should train them to use it properly. We should educate them that if they completely depend on ChatGPT, our brain will be lost. So we should just properly train them to leverage these tools to creatively use to enhance their learning. So our learning is enhanced with all these variety of tools. Sir, I can tell you there are 300 tools. We can go ahead with training, 300 tools. I myself can go with 100 plus tools. So there are plenty of tools which you have not explored. All these will just enhance creativity among the learners if they properly use it. So our role is here to educate the children to make use of these tools properly. I hope I have answered, and still we shall explore our role to just make the students responsibly use these tools.
Sir.
Thank you,
so
Dr.
much. I will just get, it may lead to brain numbing, that's all. Thank you.
Dr. Varalakshmi, and there was two questions from Dr. Joel. It is very simple. Please go to quizzes, questionwell.com. There you will find the expert. Madam Varalakshmi, madam, I am answering a question. There you will find the expert. Click that expert and you will find the list of tools, among which you choose Google Form. And automatically these questions generated in Questionwell will be converted into Google Form. Okay, you explore and come back to me if you have any queries still. Okay, madam, this is the one. And Dr. Joelry, we can very well convert Google Form into quiz. Google Form in the form of Excel. It can be downloaded into Excel. Google Form can be downloaded as Excel. And the Excel form can be uploaded into quizzes. It can be done. The answer is yes. Professors, if there are any queries, you're most welcome to clarify. Otherwise, we shall call it a day if there are no queries. You can unmute and
I have one question. Suppose the research scholar using ChatGPT or Gemini for writing research papers.
Yes.
Any other AI tools available to check whether this text is written by?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. I could understand your question.
Yeah.
ChatGPT 0. GPT 0. There's a tool called extension called GPT 0. Okay. We'll be able to exactly, similar tools are there. Okay. We'll be able to exactly find what is the percentage of content generated in AI. Okay. There are also other tools in turn to paraphrase. Whatever content generated by ChatGPT or any chatbots could be converted into human-generated sentence. Human-written sentences.
Okay.
That is GPT minus.
Okay. Sir.
GPT 0 is to identify. GPT minus is to just carry forward the changes. And sir, for your information, for the one who asked the question, even articles can be generated using ChatGPT and they are accepted.
Okay.
Provided it should be our own idea. Not just generated by AI.
Okay.
Our own idea, paraphrased, is accepted. And we can justify, there are journals accepting. There are journals accepting. I'm quite sure journals accept GPT, chatbot generated articles are also by journals. Now, one of the questions by Dr. Rex, what are the tools can be used for creating PPTs easily? Sir, I have told you, there are tools. Just note down, sir. I just copy and give it to you. I just give you the tool. These are all tools that you can use it for generating PPTs. These are all some of the simple tools, sir. Just copy, sir. It is for you. And others also can make use of this. So these are all links for generating, creative presentations. Just automatic presentations can be done using these tools. Not only Gamma, there are other tools.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
sir. The
sir.
session was very useful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very
good evening, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my clarification is that, sir, in internet nowadays, the security is a very predominant issue.
Yes.
Most of the researchers working on it. And will AI be the solution for it, or full stop for these security issues?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Dr. Sunil is much aware of generating security algorithms or creating your own security encryption techniques. So we can very well make use of tools like portals like Blackbox AI. Will be able to generate algorithms for advanced encryption techniques. We'll be able to you and me were writing programs for ECC.
Yes.
So that was very for us. We found it very difficult even to write program coordinates. But later we have found the solution and so on. But these days, within few seconds, we'll be able to get solution for research works. So the answer is, you'll be able to generate your own algorithm based on the need. Much improved algorithms for advanced encryption and decryption also. The similar way, it can also be broken. The other way, see, when you enhance the security, to break the security, somebody will find it from AI. And people are under it. In India, it is under infant stage, and advanced researchers are taken up for cyber security with the AI. So, for example, if there is a security lapses in your website or in your system, it will automatically identify and rectify. See, for example, if there is a bug found in St. Xavier's College website, we will have to identify, we will have to just solve the issue. But here, with the advancements with the integration of AI, it will be able to identify automatically. It will notify the malpractice and it will rectify the issue automatically. That is what we call by generative AI. And based on the bug found, and it generates the algorithm, rectifies the system. It is done, sir. It is done. But you and me, people like you and me in computer science, should write algorithms for identifying the bugs and solving or providing solution for those problems that are found, particularly in cyber security. Okay, sir.
Sure, sir. We'll continue to do.
Thank you, sir.
Work on the same field, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
nice.
you. Dr. Salin, we need to pay for it. Now, Dr. Salin, all the tools are paid tools. To a certain extent, we can all extract all the tools. See, many of the tools are paid. None of the tools are free, because the tools are very costly, because the development cost is much. So we can make use of these tools up to the level of making it free. For example, QuestionWell, you can generate any number of questions free of cost. But few options are disabled and it will be enabled for those people who subscribe. So if you are interested, if you find a particular tool is very useful, please subscribe, sir. For example, tools like quizzes, very useful. We can subscribe for our institution, for even QuestionWell and other tools. There are plenty of tools to have creative works done. It is worth subscribing. Sometimes we need to go for it. Yes, sir. Particularly, research-based tools. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any other queries, dear professors? If there are no queries, we shall call it a day. Now, once again, I would like to thank the team of organizers. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, sir, for the wonderful work done. You have been doing it with the guidance of the principal for 1 month, and you are able to draw 500 plus registration, and there were 300 plus participants attended, sir.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations to you organizing in a meticulous way. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to the team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, Lusam, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. In fact, you are the one who introduced and continuously, having given me the opportunity, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks
For
a lot.
the tools, the last tool, I am finding it quite interesting, sir. Alena.
Wonderful tool, sir. Wonderful tool, sir. It is actually a paid tool, sir. If you go for, payment version, we can extract the best use of the tool, sir, for teachers. Particularly when you want to go for some, different kind of teaching, it will certainly be useful, sir. Advanced level of, problems given to researchers and so on, it will be very useful, sir. So there is one question by Dr. Rex Angelo.
Yeah.
Sir, can we get solution for the sum of income tax? Yes, sir, of course. Sir, of course, for accounts, you just give the feed the account-based questions, sir, it will give you solutions. Even in chat bots. Definitely, we will have answers for even account-based. Not only accounts, sir. Any field, any domain, we'll get the solution with chatbots. But the answers obtained may not be perfect. So we'll have to just justify or authenticate the answers with our domain knowledge. See, as I told you, it will reduce our time for searching and generating answers. But of course, we'll have to spend time to go through the content, whether it is authentic. Only then it will be, useful to disseminate to our students. Before doing that, we will have to make sure that it is proper. Even whatever that is generated, answers, questions, or lecture notes, anything that may be. Even for PPTs for that matter. Thank you, sir.
Hours, ரொம்ப எனர்ஜியோட பேசிருக்கீங்க சார்.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure is mine, sir.
5:45 to 8:45. So 3 hours.
3 hours, sir.
3 hours. So 5:30 வரைக்கும் வேற ஒரு செஷன்ல இருந்தாங்க சார். அதுல இமிடியேட்டா ஸ்விட்ச் ஓவர் ஆகி இங்க வந்து செட் பண்ணாங்க.
Thank you, sir. I'm really blessed to have plenty of opportunities, sir. In fact, your opportunities shaped me and have given me visibility, sir, from the other institutions. So I also get opportunities to other institutions. I just remember from the time when you organized programs during summer in 2021. From there, you have been giving me opportunities, and in a way, I also have time to explore different tools, sir, for these opportunities. So in a way, it is training for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sure. If there are no queries, shall we stop the recording, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Recording stopped.
Sir, I will just give you the recorded session. I will send it to you mail, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Day or two.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, professors, for your compliments in the chat. I'm able to get compliments in the chat. Thank you very much. Thank you. We will have to congratulate the organizers who have taken much pain. Thank you. All the credit goes to them. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Shall we end the session, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir.